Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you about Tangem Wallet. Let's begin. Tangem Wallet is a physical crypto wallet shaped like a card that uses NFC to access your crypto securely. You don't need to remember recovery phrases, just tap the card to your phone using the Tangem app. It supports major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. What makes Tangem stand out is its smart, minimalist design. It doesn't need a battery, internet connection, or charging. It's waterproof, tamper-proof, and super portable. Whether you're storing long-term or managing assets on the go, it keeps everything offline and secure. The wallet is built with EOS 6 Plus security certification and supports multi-signature features, which adds another layer of protection. Everything works directly from your smartphone, making it convenient without sacrificing safety. If you want a sleek, durable, and secure hardware wallet that fits in your pocket like a regular card, Tangem is a great choice. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.